Hi friends, it's CameragirlHelena here. I'm an independent filmmaker and a blogger. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know my style of creating interesting content with different filmmaking equipment brands. And today I make a new creative video with Pavo tubes 30C by Nonlight. Of course, the first thing that you may think is Jedi saber. And I'm not exception today. Let's create a video fight in Star Wars style, The Force Awakens. So, this is the location. We will shoot the scenes in the daylight, cloudy but day, and on post-production we will turn it into night. My equipment for today is camera Blackmagic Ursa Mini 4.6K, my favorite lens Zeiss 50mm 1 and 4, plus Pentax zoom lens 80-320 4.5 5.6 for close-ups. Here is a slider by UC Onion. It's motorized, but today I will work in manual mode with it. And of course, for such scene we need lighting. My good friend is Forza 300B by Nonlight, with such a big, cool softbox parabolic 120. Why do I need such a big one? Because, as you may know, the bigger diffuser, the softer our light. And in the forest at night we need as much soft light as we can achieve it. Moonlight effect. So this will be our field light, and the second one is FS200 by Nonlight. I will use it as a hard source from the opposite side to give some shape to a model, and for sure two Pavo tubes 30C as our sabers. So let's do it. So I bought some stuff in second-hand shop to make a Rey costume. Let's have a look. Here is Helga, and she is my Kylo Ren for tonight. Okay friends, so after finishing our shooting day and some editing process, let's make a color grading in DaVinci Resolve by Blackmagic Design. As I shoot with Blackmagic Ursa Mini, I have raw footages. I'm changing the temperature from 56 to 2900 to make image more colder, then some contrast, and let's have a look at what we have. We have done a lot of work, so let's check the result. After color grading process, we need some special effects, and Elizabeth Postol will help us with it.
Hi guys, my name is Elizabeth Postol, and today I will show you how I made visual effects for a Star Wars video. The task was to make a snow, to make cyber fights, and to make one sword fly near the actress. So first, we take the shot and apply 3D camera tracker for it, and we have 3D camera of the shot. Then we need to separate background layers from foreground. Here we have Mocha Pro from Boris Effects, and I made a simple mask for the trees and for the foreground for the snow. Then we export this mask straight to After Effects, and we have background and foreground separated. Create solid and apply particular to it, and I have some pre-made presets for the snow. This is background snow. And also we have second layer for particular, and it contains only the snow which flies behind the camera. Then, between these two solids, we put a layer with rotor masks which we made in Mocha. That's why background snow hides behind the foreground trees. Next step, cyber fight. Here we have two actors who cross their lights, and now the shot looks some plain. We need to add more action to it. So I decided to take optical flares and make some reddish, bluish lights and put it right inside the cross of the lights. Then I have some pre-shoot footages of weldings, and I also put it in the middle and color it in the color of their sabers, so it looks more natural. And of course added a little bit glow and a little bit of motion blur. And the last step, I added just a little bit of smoke, again using trap coat particular to make shot look more natural. And last step, camera shake. I found a great preset from Boris Effects Sapphires as shake. So what I did, I found the shot when we basically see much the whole saber, and I clean up Helena's hand. And we ended up with something like this. So it's just a mask with texture, and I imported this mask to Element 3D from Video Copilot. Added some smoothness to the bevel, and basically we have something like 3D model of the saber. And after that I just keyframed some position, so it looks like it's flying near the actress. Needed some rotor to hide it behind the back, and as again, add some glow, add some real smart motion blur, and then add some, as always, optical glow from Red Giant and real smart motion blur, and the saber looks like it was there for real.
Okay friends, I hope this video was inspiring for you. Tell me about this in comments, please. It's Camera Girl Helena. That's all, and till next time.